Okay.
Right. And then if, obviously if there's no question you don't like, okay, great. So, um, Effie, thanks for making time for this. Really appreciate it. Obviously, you've been part of the journey for several months now, as we've been building Pixie and watching it evolve from our very first MVP to 1.0 to now 2.0. Um, ask you a few questions. So maybe let's just start off with, kind of generally, why do you use Pixie?
Well, I mainly use Pixie for to do our social media post.
And so, I mean, what did you use? I guess like what did you use before, and how does Pixie fit into the picture now?
Well, I didn't really start on working on post until we, I guess, started with Pixie.
Oh, nice. Okay, great. And then, which platforms do you post on usually?
I'm sorry?
Which platforms do you make posts for?
Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn. Um, those are just the few that I can think of. Reddit, Yelp, I think most of the social media.
Really cool. And then, which can you talk more about which features you like the most in Pixie?
Well, I like the way that that you can make we can make our product in different settings, different landscapes, even to incorporate a mood that we can target specific audiences.
Yeah, interesting. And what are some examples of those, like how you would tailor it for certain audiences?
Well, some of it may be tailored more for the yacht industry. And so then we'll do pictures or of our furniture on on a yacht or with yachts in the background, or maybe what you would see when you're sailing, or, cruising the world. Another one would be maybe for interior designers that we can show our product in different, I don't know, luxury resort type settings. So I just kind of feel that we can target different people and even different age groups as well, because millennials or the baby boomers might be into a certain, I don't know, a certain image might appeal to them more so than it would to the Gen Z or, Gen X.
Fascinating, fascinating. And then I guess, if it sounds like you basically started making social media content right in the same time you started using Pixie, but if you could answer, how has Pixie made your life better? And then maybe we can talk about this in terms of time savings or headache savings or anything like that.
Well, it does produce that picture, having that image, like our product being merged into that setting, the different lifestyle settings that we may be trying to use. Where I think before it was with Photoshop, different, we were taking our picture and removing the background and then posting it. I can't remember what the program was, but we were just kind of removing it and then kind of posting it, but sometimes it didn't really look realistic. And that's the one thing, is that our product is, with the setting, what I've noticed that it does look like we were there. We
Mm,
took that photo right there. So, and just to give that feel, and like I said, that mood that you may want to try to express with that ad, it comes up quicker, with the using Pixie. And then from what I've seen too with the other, part of it, the apprentice.
super cool. And then do you, I guess like as you think about if you were talking to another marketer and they were like, "Hey, we're thinking about using Pixie," what advice would you give them?
I would say it's a great time saver. It, I think it's a great product. It's it's made my life easier, and it does, like I said, as far as time saving, I can move on to other things that I need to concentrate on as well. So I'm not spending hours trying to figure out, like, why doesn't this work, or it doesn't look right, it looks like it's floating, or something, it's just not, not realistic.
Right. Yeah. Love to hear it. And then I guess the last question is, we've been adding, I think there's one thing that really stands out for you, which is, our AI product photography. We've been adding features with time. Is there sort of like, what do you think about the pace of development or bug fixes and all that kind of stuff that you've been seeing?
I'm seeing it, I think it goes on quite quickly, like I'm seeing the differences from when we were have our meetings, and if I would ask how to do something, or maybe suggest like, could we do this or do that? And then I would notice it after that meeting, it would start to come up. So, it was, I think you guys handled some issues or, the bugs that we might have seen quite quickly.
Love it. Love it. And then anything else to add?
No.
Got it. Oh yeah, it's super good. This is awesome. Thank you so much. Let me actually, well, I can just keep it going, but that's exactly what we need. So thank you much for making time to do that. Would you, do we have your permission to use your testimonial like on our website and, on social media and stuff?
Oh, absolutely.
Oh yeah, we really appreciate that. Like Risa said, we're trying to break out of stealth mode and actually do marketing ourselves, right? So our website's been empty, our LinkedIn page and our Facebook page has been empty, and so we'll be doing that ourselves. Awesome. Well, thank you, Effie. I would, maybe we can move on to Lion. I might say, Effie, if you want, you can feel free to stay, or if you want some time back, you can feel free to drop as well.
Okay. All right. Bye.
Thank you much. Have a great day.
Thanks so much.
Thank you. Bye.
See you later, Effie.
Makes a huge difference, as you know, to have real people, explain how they experience the product. And by the way, I should mention, Lion, that part of it is helping customers kind of get engaged with Pixii and use our product, but part of it is also for our engineers. They're grinding away deep in the code and they don't really know the end impact that it's having, helping people save time and money. And so yeah, that's part of the reason we do this as well. Okay, how you doing?
Mine's a little different than Effie's. Like Effie, basically, she uses it more for the marketing aspect.
Okay.
I put our products online, so I use it to better engage our products online, basically.
Yeah, well, let's dive in. Yeah, so talk about how do you, what's a typical use case for Pixii or what's something you use it pretty often for?
Literally, when I put a new product online, the pictures that we get are just basically white pictures. So I incorporate those into Pixii to get a nice, more rich, bolder picture so the customers can get a better understanding of how it looks in a setting, as opposed to just seeing it on a white background.
For sure. And then how has, can you talk about kind of the before and after of the photos that you would be putting up online before and then now what you're putting up online with Pixii?
We find marketing wise is better engaging with the customers to see a colorful picture instead of seeing just a plain white picture. And with Pixii, we can get a multiple background, like a multiple amount of pictures with different settings, different backgrounds. So it is nice in that aspect.
Does it work well with your brand?
Yes, it does. Because
Perfect.
we can incorporate it into your Pixii program, and the outcome, we can actually tell the outcome of what we want in some aspect. So it's nice that way too.
Yeah, so Pixii learns your brand. Okay, and then can you talk more about like kind of what's the how does it kind of improve your life in terms of either time or money or headache or engagement or anything like that?
I find with Pixii, it's a little easier for me because trying to ask our warehouse to take pictures, we used to have a high-end picture booth, and we ended up getting rid of that because it just cost us too much money. And thinking about it in this aspect, that I gotta ask the warehouse to take pictures for us, yet they gotta ship out our product. So that's basically our time and our money, where they gotta ship out this product. I don't have to ask them now. I can just get the basic picture that comes to me, put it through Pixii, get what I want, and it's a lot quicker and it saves a lot of time and money that way.
Yeah, super cool. And then, and you mentioned kind of time. So there's a few different angles. We talked about higher engagement. We talked about time savings and then money savings from using that photo booth. It would be helpful if you could put some numbers around some of that stuff. If you have anything on engagement, like click-through rate or anything like that, do you, off the top of your head, do you recall anything like that?
Fred has all that.
He's got all that,
Effie and Fred do all that that marketing aspect, like I said, I just do the products. I can
cool.
pick their brain. They would probably have that information more than likely.
Love it. And then, I guess if you were talking to a marketer who's like, thinking about using Pixii, what advice would you give them?
I mean, the one thing I like about Pixii is I have control over what I can do with it to a point. Like to a point. I mean, you guys, it's your program, but I mean, I have control where I can edit the pictures the way I want, and I can publish them the way I want.
Yeah, that's cool. So and it's sort of like, I guess, what's the alternative, right? Like to using Pixii for photographs. What else? What would you be doing without it?
I'd be just dealing with the white background pictures, really, or trying to, like, actually what I used to do is I use Adobe Photoshop, which is very hard to take out the backgrounds, and I've been superimposing different backgrounds to our images, and it's a lot of time. It takes a lot of time, Adobe, to crop them and put them into another background. Or Pixii, it takes all that time away from me. It makes it a lot easier for me, where I can be focusing on other stuff right now, especially when we have a new website in development.
For sure. And then the other, I mean, so there's Photoshop, which sounds, that's obviously hours of just like tracing the lines and all that. And then I guess the other alternative probably like a photographer or like a freelancer, right?
Exactly.
And how would that interaction go compared to Pixii?
We used to have a photographer, and we can't get a hold of him. So like I said, basically a lot of the pictures that we're getting right now is coming directly from our warehouse straight to me. And then I got to edit them. I got to, fix them. I got to enlarge them. I got to shrink them. I got to do whatever. But your Pixii program, like I said, makes it easier. I can just put it in there, get the image I want without fooling around and wasting time.
Love it. Love it. And then kind of what do you think also about, what have you been witnessing? It's been, I don't know, 4 or 6 months now. What do you think about the pace of development and, how quickly the team is either shipping new features or squashing bugs?
You guys have been pretty great. I mean, everything we brought up in any meetings, online meetings, you guys have corrected it almost right away. I mean, the next meeting, the bugs have been cleared. So, I mean, you guys are pretty quick in your development and in fixing anything that needs to be fixed within Pixii itself.
Love it. Love to hear it. Great. And then I guess anything else to add?
I do like that you listen to, like, you're like us, like the customer. You listen to us, like other things that should be added to Pixii or different layouts the way Pixii should be, and you basically have done that. You've listened to us and actually have made it easier for us within Pixii. So
Great. That's what we're here for. Awesome, Lion. And then do we have your permission to use this testimonial online and in social media and stuff?
sure,
Okay, perfect.
that's not a problem at all.
Yeah, I appreciate that. Great. I mean, I'll stop recording here, but this has been, super helpful, Lion. I can't emphasize how much I mean,